Okay, so on this tutorial, we're gonna make a brochure site. So what is a brochure site? So basically, a brochure site is just a website and it's made up of a custom menu and there's a bunch of pages inside of it. So if you look on my website here, I don't have any menu right now or any page. So let's go ahead and create a test page and then we can go ahead and start populating our menu here. So if you go to dashboard and let's start with creating a page. So let's create a page here. So let's say add new, and then with this let's go ahead and name the title as my objective. And then on the text body here, let's go ahead and type it. My objective is to have an entry level position on an IT department. My objective is to gain, I'm sorry, is to gain an entry level position on an IT department. It's just like a sample sentence on a page here. So let's go ahead and publish our page here. So click publish and then give it a few seconds and then the page is published. So let's go ahead and go to appearance and go to menus, and then of course you need to select your name for your menu. Um, so we don't have any pages, so let's go ahead and add our page. So I've created some pages here beforehand, but in this tutorial, I'm just showing you how to add your page to your menu. So let's go ahead click my objective, since that was the page that we created earlier, and then click add to menu. Okay, so it did show up, and then let's go click save menu. Okay, and then if you go back to your website and click refresh, and there you go, it's going to show up my objective. So basically, excuse me, brochure site is just a website that's made up of um, pages. So you can populate this, create as much pages as you want. So if we go to our appearance here and let's say um, I created some pages before, so let's go ahead and let's say let's add our skills or certificates, your experiences, and education, of course. So let's go ahead and add to our menu. Okay, and then in order if you want to arrange this, all you have to do is drag and drop it. Let's see, objective skills, and let's go ahead with certificates. And oh, this, by the way, this is a sub item. So um, basically, if you hover your mouse around education, there's going to be another link that will show up. So to better explain this, so remember we got education here, and then under education we got sub items underneath it. So if we click save, then I'll show it to you how that one does. So if you go to my objective and click refresh, okay, and that's, our pages did show up. So under education we got certificates, but it's, I don't want to show that. I don't want objective skills, education, certificates, and then program experiences. So let's go back to appearance, and then all you have to do is, drag this to the left. You don't need the indent. If you need something under education, all you have to do is make that indent and then it will go under education. But I don't want that, so let's go ahead and line them here. Okay, and then click save. There you go. And then click refresh again. And then there we go. So education has its own line and certificates has its other line. Also, a good idea for to set up your website here is to set up your static page. Basically, if I type leonardkabanban.wordpress.com, it will show my test page. It's a page that I created. I want to it for every for like a let's say a visitor who visits my website. If they type in the WordPress, the URL, it will go directly to my objective. So in order to do that, let me show it again. So let's say I'm an employer. I'm typing my this address. It will go to the test page. I don't want that. I want it to directly go to my objective. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to your settings. I think it's under reading if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so on front page displays, click a static page, and then for your front page, um, you want, the page that you want to show up, which is my objective, and then click Save Changes, and then let's go ahead and see and check it, see if it works. So if I type in my website, and then click Enter, and then there you go. It will go directly to this first post, which is what I wanted. Okay, so that is pretty much, if I'm not mistaken, for a brochure site. So brochure site is just basically a bunch of pages, and it's up to you how you want to look how your website to look. It's totally depends up to you. You just have to be creative here. And yeah, that'll be it. Thank you very much for watching.